As winters approach, Delhi's air quality has plunged into a dangerous level. Commission for Air Quality Management has mandated the implementation of Stage 3 of GRAP in Delhi NCR with the increasing pollution level. And as far as this is concerned, all the non-essential construction and demolition work is now banned in the National Commission. Even painting, polishing and varnishing, they all have been banned under Stage 3 of the GRAP. Now, under this fresh guidelines, even the transportation of demolition waste will not be allowed in the national capital, and all sorts of mining activities have also been suspended. And the ban on construction work, however, does not apply to the projects that are needed for national security, healthcare, certain public infra work, etc. Now, all the interstate buses from NCR states, except for the electric vehicles, CNG vehicles and BS6 diesel buses will be prohibited from entering the national capital. Now, Stage 3 order also mentions measures for combating air pollution, and we gave you details of all that. That includes a strict and a blanket ban on construction and demolition.
सर इंट्री जो BS4 गाड़ियाँ हैं तो ये गाड़ियाँ जो यूरिया चालू करा था सरकार ने, कंपनी ने, तो उन लोगों ने तो ये यूरिया तो यूँ चालू करा था ना जो ताकि ये प्रदूषण नहीं देंगी गाड़ियाँ। ये जो पुरानी गाड़ी है उन्हें बंद कर दिया था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उनसे, क्या परेशानी है, उन्हें बंद कर दिया था।
बंद नहीं किया जाए।
नहीं, नई गाड़ियों को क्यों बंद करा जाएगा? जो यूरिया चालू करा है, जो हम लोग 2000 रुपये चक्कर का, 1500 रुपये चक्कर का यूरिया खिलाते हैं डीजल से अलग, तो हम लोग यूं ही तो खिलाते हैं यूरिया।
सर जो 10 साल पुरानी गाड़ी है वो बंद कर दी जाए, और जो ये नई गाड़ी है इसको बंद नहीं किया जाए। सरकार से यही अपील है हमारी।
अब दिक्कत तो है ही, जब एंट्री नहीं होगी, यहाँ बॉर्डर पे खड़े रहेंगे तो क्या दिक्कत नहीं होगी सर? पूरी रात यहाँ खड़े रहकर क्या करेंगे फिर?
Also, authorities in the National Capital Region have been tasked with intensifying the road cleaning efforts, especially in the areas which are prone to high dust levels. Water sprinkling and sweeping are, in fact, employed to settle the dust and reduce the contribution to the already poor air quality. Diesel generator sets will be restricted to emergency use only, and in the wake of the worsening air quality, Delhi government has also suspended physical classes for primary school children, which will now go online until further orders.
For the second consecutive day, the air quality index of the national capital is falling into hazardous or severe category. The air quality index at 7 in the evening of the national capital, from where we are reporting, is 418, which means that the air quality is in the severe category. Now it means, since it has been consistently in hazardous category for 2 days, it means that now the stage 3 of the graded response action plan GRAP will be imposed. Now CAQM, the Commission for Air Quality and Management, was yesterday said that they are observing and hoping that the air quality would go to very poor category and basically improve. However, when it didn't happen today, they came up with a notification and have said that now the stage 3 of the graded response action plan will be imposed from 8 tomorrow in the morning, from 15th of November basically.
Now let's take you across some of the suggestions for the citizens of the national capital that have been recommended by CAQM. The first recommendation is walk or use cycle for small distance. This is a first recommendation that has come from the Air Quality Management Commission. Second is combine errands and reduce trips. So basically asking people to, to choose cleaner commute and share a ride, and that is why the intensity of the metro has also been increased so that people will be able to take that. The fourth recommendation is give preference to work from home if possible, and a recommendation has also been given to the companies to allow work from home to employees. The fifth recommendation is avoid open burning of biomass. So these are all of the recommendations that has come from the Commission for Air Quality Management as far as GRAP 3 is concerned. Let me first go to our colleague Niyamika, who joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Niyamika, so GRAP 3 has been imposed in the national capital. Tell us what is now restricted.
Well, yes, this important decision has now been taken as the GRAP 3 is going to be implemented in the national capital from 8 a.m. onwards. And I would first like to show you the visuals here as we are currently at the Anand Vihar location. And you can see behind me that there is the smog which has been engulfed in the air of the national capital, as the visibility is very much reduced. And for that reason, now GRAP 3 has been imposed in the national capital as the AQI has reached to the severe category. category. Right now here at the Anand Vihar location, the AQI stands at 441, which is very much concerning because the people are not being able to breathe freely in this air. They are feeling irritation in the eyes. They are having cough due to this toxic air which is being there in the national capital, and that is the only reason why this important decision has been taken to impose GRAP 3 in Delhi, which under which now severe guidelines have also been issued, which also includes that all the non-essential demolition as well as construction work will be stopped. In fact, the Delhi government has also released its notification yesterday that the physical classes till class 5th will now been shut down. The schools have been shut down. The physical classes is not going to take place as there is this huge amount of pollutants which can be clearly seen in the air of Delhi, and that's the only reason why it is very much concerning for the elderly people as well as the kids who are not being able to breathe freely in this toxic air. Let us go across to some of the people who are being present here, that what kind of experiences they are having right now. भैया आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे, यहाँ जिस तरीके का पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, कोई दिक्कत आपको लग रही है?
किसी और से पूछ लो।
आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं लग रही है?
नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं लग रही।
Okay, so we would also like to see that other people who are also being present here, whether they are facing some kind of problem due to this air pollution. भैया ये pollution जो हो रहा है उससे कोई दिक्कत, खांसी या फिर आंखों में कोई जलन हो रही है आपको?
पता नहीं है।
आपको इस pollution से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? So as you have seen that the people are not being ready to speak on the camera, but many of them have also can be seen wearing masks here, as this is basically the location where there is a railway station and the passengers are also coming in from there, and many of those people were being seen wearing masks, as they are also saying that there is a lot of pollution in the air of Delhi, and that is the only reason why they are feeling this kind of irritation as well as the problem of coughing when they are walking here at Anand Vihar location, as the AQI is currently at the severe category. They are not being able to breathe freely, and that's the only reason why we have seen that the politics is also continuing over this entire matter,
Right.
because both the central government and the Delhi government are basically, passing the buck upon each other. The Delhi government is blaming the neighboring states, as they are saying that it is because of the neighboring states that the stubble burning issues is still being there. There is no such action which is being taken by the BJP governments in the state of Haryana as well as Uttar Pradesh. On the other side, we have also seen that how the BJP is saying that the Aam Aadmi Party government has completely failed to fulfill its promises which they had made during the election time, that there will be a curb upon the air pollution. People will not be have to breathe in this pollution, but still there is no such kind of respite which is being given to the Delhiites, and for that reason now the BJP is also blaming the Aam Aadmi Party by saying that they have completely failed to fulfill the guarantee which they had given to the people of Delhi.
Well, absolutely, and it's quite concerning that people of the national capital are breathing this noxious air. Niamika, stay on with us.